Network. Today with me, Vishakha Pandit. I have a special guest, जिनकी एक फिल्म अभी आने वाली है और आज वो हमारे साथ खुलकर सिर्फ फिल्म के बारे में नहीं बल्कि इन डिटेल करने वाली है बहुत सारी चर्चा. Well, firstly, Sakshi, welcome on Times Network. And I would say you're looking stunning, but then still कैसा है promotions कैसी चल रही हैं? Are you liking it or what is happening?
Thank you for such lovely words. और promotions तो जोरों शोर से चल रहे हैं and hope for the best that film does superb.
But then, you know, when I talk about Qatil Hasina, what was that one thing that actually struck out for you that you were like, oh yes, इसका तो हिस्सा बनना ज़रूर है?
See, being an actor, whatever comes my way, I accept it with open arms. When my producer approached me, I told him कि सबसे पहले सर मुझे आप script भेजो, I would love to read it, and then I'll get back to you. I read the script, I was like, wow, she's a crazy girl, man. She's all over, like the Shania, the character I'm playing, her name is Shania. And when I read the script, I was like, wow, that's intriguing. I would love to play such a Qatil Hasina.
Yeah, obviously, okay.
Yeah.
But then कुछ ऐसा था जो अपने character के लिए you had to maybe learn while you were filming it or something that you got to see like a different side of it that you didn't think while you were actually saying yes for the character. कुछ ऐसा था?
नहीं ऐसा मुझे कुछ भी नहीं लगा. It was a very versatile character because if you see the trailer, people are confused if it's a double role or a trio or she's the same girl. So it's a very confusing because the mystery is still there. So when you watch the show, you'll know, oh, that's why this is happening. Oh, that's why it's a positive and a negative. And what is she trying to do basically? So basically this is a revenge movie. Oh. A girl on her own quest to take a revenge.
Wow, okay. I think the audience, I don't know if they remember it or not, but then, you know, Sakshi had started her journey from, I think, MTV where we had seen her in, you know, a lot of reality shows and all that. But then, you know, from there, now here, what the graph has been like, you know, like a roller coaster ride for you. What is it one thing that actually struck out for you that you feel that, okay, अगर ये चीज़ मेरे career में नहीं होती, तो शायद आज वो इस तरीके से shape नहीं होता. And one thing that you feel that could have been better for you. Maybe, you know, the things would have, the end result would have been different.
I know what you mean. So basically, I started my career with Splitsvilla. I was 19 years old and I was doing my graduation in Pune. And before even I graduated, I won a show. So मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था after when I graduate कि मैं बनना क्या चाहती हूँ. Maybe a doctor or lawyer or whatever, for instance. But destiny decided for me that I have to enter the film industry. Okay. So when I entered the industry, I was very young and very naive. I didn't know what to do, what to say, and I was like, I was just to say anything and everything. But now, since I'm in this stage right now, I am more composed and calm. And obviously, with experiences, you learn, you explore, and I'm a well-traveled. I've read a lot, and right now I'm a learner. What I do and love is to learn anything and everything which is new. I think जितना हम सीखेंगे, उतना हम अपने आप को और दुनिया को जानेंगे. What was the question?
My question was that, you know, in your journey where you have seen so many ups and downs and you know, now here we are sitting today.
Oh, so much I could have improved, yeah. So much I was like, Sakshi, shut up, don't say that, don't do that. But now when I look back, I don't have any regrets.
But do you go back and see your Splitsvilla episode? Have you seen your Splitsvilla episode?
Last night I saw the second episode and I was like, what is she doing?
Are you friends with any of the Purane Splitsvilla?
Definitely. I know Joanna. I sometimes meet Mohit. Yeah, I'm very good friends with them. All of them are like, we are mature enough to be, what those show tha yaar.
But do you have like a group of those split villains and discussing about what is happening? Like, aisa kuch bond hai type of that
School hi tha wo. That wasn't a school of learning. That was a reality show.
No, but then a lot of them when Big Boss finish ho jata hai, you know, the like shows like Big Boss, Khatron Ke Khiladi is like such a reality show.
No, that really didn't happen after Splitsvilla, but we kept bumping into each other, but we were very cordial and very nice to each other. But Joanna, Mohit, I meet quite often, yeah. Very good friends.
But tell me one thing, because you know, for you as you're somebody की मतलब मन में जो है वो जुबान पे है बेबाक होके
वही तो करती थी मैं
वही अभी भी like I would say your character is still that, but still I would say still a little mellowed down.
Of course.
But tell me something that, you know, while you were so naive and, you know, you stepped into the world of showbiz and you didn't know who to turn back to and all that, how did you handle the, let's say, जब Splitsvilla में कोई drama होता था या उसके आगे आपकी career में कुछ भी होता like controversies, rumors, how did you take all that? Because for you it was a pretty new field and like a bare field.
Oh, don't ask. So I had support from my family, my friends, and eventually I was a very strong girl. Okay. I was an athlete. I was a national level player in handball when I, you know, so I had that thing in me, that right attitude to be there. वो भूख थी मेरे अंदर. तो मैं हर चीज़ को ignore करती हुई, अगर कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ गलत भी बोल रहे हैं, अच्छा भी बोल रहे हैं, I should just ignore that and move forward.
Okay.
Because eventually यार क्या होता है ना, we are on a showbiz and we are completely exposed. ठीक है, everybody knows everything. ये क्या खा रही है, okay, this is what she's wearing. We can't even repeat her clothes in that manner. But अपने आप को balance करके रखना and inner growth and inner engineering is very important at this moment, which I have learned with years. And I've evolved as an actor. I've evolved as a person. जो मैं पहले थी वो मैं हुई नहीं, मैं जानती ही नहीं उस लड़की को.
But how was your family reacting to it? Because
Lovely, they were so happy, so proud. My father used to ऐसे वो चिल्ला के बोलते थे, अच्छा निक्की, my pet name was Nikki.
Okay.
निक्की, वो तुमने शो जो किया, मैंने कहा पापा why are you saying that? वो जान पूछ के सबके सामने बोलते थे कि सबको पता चले मेरी बेटी एक्टर है. So he used to do this. Imagine.
Like he was like.
He was just embarrass me. But he's such a sweetheart he was. I was like, पापा क्यों कर रही हो? उसने कहा, अरे मेरी बेटी एक्टर है, मैं बताऊंगा नहीं, जताऊंगा नहीं. I was like, ठीक करो जो करना है करो आपको.
Like because you said कि मैं बहुत बेबाक थी या वैसा.
Yeah, I had no filter at all.
Yeah, exactly. So, but then how was his reaction if, because obviously parents, they'll read any and everything that's written about you, be it true, be it false, they will read. चाहे reaction ना दे, but उनका क्या था?
All the support and they knew. यार एक बात बताओ मुझे, माँ बाप जानते हैं उनका बच्चा कैसा है, उनको पता था ये हमेशा से स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर रही है, एक्सट्रोवर्ट रही है, बट राइट नाउ आई एम अ मिक्स ऑफ इंट्रो एंड एक्सट्रो. आई एम नॉट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वाज. सो रही बात पेरेंट्स, दे वर कंप्लीटली सपोर्टिव. माय मॉम was here with me, but few months back actually.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, my mom passed away.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah, so it's a very different phase of life, and yeah, उनकी सब बातें, उनकी सिखाई हुई बातें सब याद है. But अब जिस मैं life के towards I'm stepping into, it's very different without a parent and very different. I'm
sure
speechless.
she's like a guardian angel right now, keeping.
I hope so. She is, right?
She is indeed
No,
keeping a hand
her.
on you. That's a permanent support that you'll always have.
Yeah, क्योंकि इस चीज़ का this is a kind of a grieving जो ज़िंदगी भर चलती रहेगी.
Yeah.
और माँ का रिप्लेसमेंट तो कुछ नहीं है. तो वही बोल रही हूँ, अब द लाइफ आई एम स्टेपिंग इनटू इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. ना मुझे दुख करता है, ना खुशी देती है. So I'm in a very neutral position right now.
But tell me one thing, because you know, being a part of web, being a part of OTT, पहले बहुत डिफरेंट होता था. लेकिन अब बहुत से ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो सामने आके they'll very clearly say that, you know, no, we're not comfortable doing an intimate scene, or we're not comfortable abusing on the camera.
That's me for you.
Yeah,
I say it on the face. If I'm not comfortable, I'll say it. मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी सर, आगे आप देख लीजिए. और अगर required है, it's the demand of the script, then we'll definitely do it.
But
मतलब ऐसे फालतू में नहीं होना चाहिए कि नहीं भाई intimate scene डाल दो. Not at all. But it should mean something. There should be sense to it, you know.
Yeah.
Vulgarity और intimacy में बहुत thin line का difference है.
But has it ever happened that while filming for something and you have taken a call and been like, no, this is not what I'm gonna be doing. This, I don't think it's fitting here.
Stupid उतनी naive थी ना कि मुझे डर लगता था director sir से. अब I am like full on. I'm like, sir, बात करते हैं पहले समझ लेते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों है. But I am very blessed that I get very good directors to work with. I'm touch wood. मतलब.
Then what is the criteria that you look out for when you're actually?
If I think that this is not supposed to be done, मुझे फालतू में किस नहीं करना है तो मैं नहीं करूँगी.
Okay.
कोई भी आ जाए. Why will I kiss if it's not required? And if it's required, definitely I'll kiss.
And also when you talk about that, you know, you're very naive, or maybe you were not even naive, I would say, that you didn't even know who to approach in the field, and you know, you were in your college and that way around.
But I'll tell you something. पहले ना मैं जब young थी ना तो I used to procrastinate.
Okay.
And now I'm more hardworking.
Okay.
So when I'm hardworking, now I want to approach everybody, talk to everybody, and tell everybody on the face that I would love to work with you, and please do consider me.
But then has it ever happened, because now that you're saying that I can approach anybody and everybody, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you've been a victim to, let's say, fake calls, fake casting calls, or maybe a casting couch for that matter?
Yes. Not casting couch in a way.
Somebody approached you and you know you obviously had a narrow escape for that matter.
Yeah, narrow escape is the right word. And also मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि when the vibe is wrong, I used to just vanish. मैं ज़्यादा वो देखो, जब आप किसी को उंगली पकड़वा रहे हो ना, तो वो अगर पूरा हाथ पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, उससे पहले ही भाग जाओ.
Okay.
And if you encourage that, then you have to deal with it. When I know the vibe is different and काम से बात करते हुए कहीं और भटक रहा है किसी और का मन, तो आप चले जाओ उठ के, क्योंकि आप किसी को चेंज नहीं कर सकते.
Exactly, yeah, correct.
So it's better आप अपने आप को चेंज करो and just move away.
But then you're saying that you've had a fake casting call also?
Of course, I have had fake casting calls. I've had people I've met who, I mean, the approach was different and they were not interested in casting. They were interested in maybe me or something else.
Yeah.
So मुझे पता लग जाता था, and I was like, just get lost, man.
But how did you get to know about the fake casting call? Like,
Google, people now have the sources. Ask. कुछ भी गलत लगे, ask. Call up people and ask कि होगी. This is the right person. Is this the person? Just ask.
but right now I'm saying because you know right now you know people in the industry because you've
Yeah.
had that kind of years joined to your career. But initially you did not have that. So that time, how was it for you? Like, you know, who do you think that?
तो बेवकूफ बनते थे ना, वही तो बोल रही
So
हूँ.
you have been fooled that
Of
time.
course, I have learned with experiences, यार.
Oh God.
सब कुछ experience सीखा है, और अब तो अब ऐसी position में कि talk to me. And then,
but
you know,
Sakshi, will it be right to say that now, had you not done show like Big Boss or something, आज अगर वो आपको approach करते, would you still say yes for the show or would you?
Big Boss?
Yeah, you wouldn't have done it.
maybe you offer me so much of money that I can't ignore, you know. Give me an offer I can't refuse. Just like The Godfather.
Ah, so you think that you wouldn't have
But
now?
if you give me a lot of good money, then I would like think. But otherwise, just to like be out there, I don't want.
What
to do.
about if they approach you for, let's say, Big Boss OTT or maybe Lock Up?
Lockup कब offer आया था मुझे? I didn't choose.
You didn't choose to. And why do you think? What changed now?
I don't want to do reality. I want to concentrate on my acting career right now.
But then tell me one thing, because you know what struck to me out for your entire journey was that you might have had like an ups and downs.
Correct.
But after, like, even if like a Splitsvilla is a dating show, but still uske bawajood I would say the controversies didn't follow you there, but it did follow you when you, I think, stepped out from Big Boss, and you know there were news about that, you know, pregnancy rumors and all. It was very
Oh,
bizarre.
that is not even me. See, I was a child. I was singing this song. मेरा पाव भरी और मीडिया बाहर बोल रही है, लगता है आप प्रेग्नेंट हैं.
हाँ, that
तो
is-
मैंने पता है क्या बोला? मैंने कहा हाँ मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं और तीसरा भी आने वाला. बोलता क्या बोल रही हो? मैंने कहा क्वेश्चन ही ऐसे पूछ रहे हो यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It was just a show. Don't believe in anything and everything. कुछ पूछना है तो मुझसे पूछिए, मैं बताऊंगी आपको. ऐसा कुछ
But
नहीं
अब
है.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है that you've read a very bizarre rumor about yourself or heard a bizarre
Troll
rumor?
यार, look at them how they troll. मैं तो
So how do you handle them? Like,
Nothing.
how do
I
you-
ignore and read them and laugh at it. I don't even delete it. I want my trollers to troll me. देखो, मैं एक चीज आपको बताती हूँ. मुझसे नफरत करो या प्यार करो, मुझे भूलो मत. बोलते रहो जो बोलना है. कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
So उस
हम सब
नाते,
सुनेंगे.
so उस नाते, do you follow, like, you know, because people around us like what Raki, Urfi and all of that, because they are the most common and the known names out there जिनको troll regularly करते हैं और जिनकी life वहाँ है मीडिया के बिल्कुल सामने
पर
है.
आपने मुझे ऐसा देखा कुछ करते हुए कुछ
Touch wood, by God's grace.
कि मैं बल पहन कर आ जाऊं.
by God's, वैसे आज पंखा पहना हुआ है. क्या? वैसे आज पंखा पहना हुआ है.
पंखा पहना हुआ है.
Yeah, Urfi was spotted today only, I think, by us itself, that she was wearing a fan on her hair, like a drone. So that is there, the fashion that Urfi portrays, but that's for her.
But ठीक है, each to its own. If she likes it, I mean, good for her, and if she doesn't like it, she can choose to do anything else. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज की generation बहुत smart हो गई है. Whatever they want to do, they know, they are very clear, and the focus is there. If I want to become maybe a clown, I will become a clown. I want to be an actor, I can become a clown, an actor.
Yeah.
So choices you make in life, each to its own. I have no comments on anybody.
But what is that one?
But I want Urfi to watch my show, Qatil Hasina.
Oh. But when you say that you want Urfi to watch your show, tell me something. ऐसे कोई stars हैं that you wish that, you know, they could come and compliment you and be like, Sakshi, we loved your character.
I would want all the filmmakers of
Okay.
Bollywood to come and compliment me.
Oh.
ये सब आइए, मैं तो पता है क्या चाहती हूँ कि एक प्रीमियर करूँ and all the directors should sit in one position and watch my show. इससे बड़ी ड्रीम हो सकती है कोई? Positive dream. Actors मेरा शो देख के क्या करेंगे? देख ले. But filmmakers.
Filmmakers. But tell me one thing, that now that you say that आप भेड़ चाल का हिस्सा नहीं बनती हैं, you know, you are now a much mature and a better version of yourself. If you could give an advice to your younger self, what is that advice that you would give that younger self?
So many advices. I would just ask her to shut the F up firstly.
Okay.
कि कुछ कम बोला करो बेटा. ज़्यादा वही बोलना चाहिए जहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड हो. ये पहली सजेशन मैं अपनी यंगर सेल्फ को दूंगी. और lot of mistakes I've made, and lot of things I could go on the timeline and change.
Okay.
And I mean, I just want my younger self to calm down, like right now I am.
Okay.
But I think it's a good journey, yaar. ऐसा कुछ
it's
नहीं है that I
fair.
like to, you know.
You can't undo it, because had that not happened, you wouldn't have been here.
However
that
it
way
was,
around.
it was good. ठीक है.
But which is your father's favorite character or maybe role of yours? Has he seen?
He's seen me in Bad Man before.
Okay.
Called Bad Man.
Yes,
So
I've
उसमें
seen.
Gulshan Grover में
Yeah,
Chunky
yeah.
Pandey, Farah Khan, we all were there. So that was my first OTT film, and that was the first OTT film of Bollywood. I think nobody knows that. 2016.
Okay.
Yeah. So that he was, you know, he was like, "Wow, beta, wow, Gulshan Grover के साथ आए हो आप." So I was the leading lady in that also. So he was so happy. इतना खुश होते थे मुझे देखकर. So that's the most memorable memory of me, to see my father smiling, looking at me.
What if you ever come face to face with any of your trolls? How will you react?
मैं उनको समझा दूंगी, एडवाइस दूंगी. मैं कहा इधर आ बेटा, बैठ, कल 5 मिनट बैठ, बात करते हैं. वो कुछ और ही बन के निकलेंगे रूम से.
You never know, but then on that
देखो eventually it's a duty to guide people. अगर वो तब भी नहीं समझ रहे हैं तो फिर ठीक है, no problem. लेकिन हमको बोलना ज़रूरी है. और आज की डेट में I am doing a film, it's a revenge film, but revenge लेना नहीं चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि just leave it on him.
the ऊपर वाला.
आप जैसे कर्म करोगे आपको अपना फल मिल ही जाएगा इसी दुनिया में.
उस नाते कभी दिल टूटा है, और अगर हाँ तो तब आप कैसे रिएक्ट, बिकॉज आप रिवेंज की बात कर रही हैं, तो यू नो तब आपने कैसे रिएक्ट किया? कुछ
I used to cry and heartbroken. No, I didn't take revenge. I've never taken.
Have you ever taken a revenge on somebody?
Trust me, I could, but I didn't.
And abhi filhal, do you have somebody special in life, or how is it going for you right now?
No, right now I'm single and happy.
Single, ready to mingle, and I'm sure fans भी देख रहे हैं, तो कोई ना कोई, you never know out there, you know, कब कौन request भेज दे. But कोई ऐसा है, like if you plan to settle down, the kind of the dream guy that you have, like.
And I'm looking for a dream guy, and I'm not looking out there, but whenever.
Who is a dream guy? Like, what qualities should your Mr. Perfect have?
Intelligent, very intelligent. I mean, he should travel with me. I like a traveler. I don't like lazy boys who's sitting. You should be quite passionate about your career and your woman, for sure. Good guy. Be a good guy and be an animal lover, for sure. If you have to be with me, you have to be an animal lover. Okay?
I'm sure they are listening to it. Okay. But Sakshi, I think one thing that I still, because while talking you said, you know, I'm sure life of an actor is not easy. You give multiple auditions, जिनमें से selective में आप select होते हैं, और वो selective में से भी आप select choose करते हैं कि you know किसका हिस्सा बनना है.
Don't ask.
But कभी ऐसा हुआ है that you know you've auditioned for some project and felt like okay this role is apt for me, but then things did not materialize.
Should I tell you what I could have done? Which role?
Yeah.
Muzaffar.
Mirzapur.
Mirzapur. Why am I saying Muzaffar? Mirzapur में I wanted to play Golu.
Oh wow! But then, did you audition for any of that roles, or maybe some role that maybe you know you
I actually did for season 2, but then it didn't click.
Things didn't materialize.
Didn't materialize, and I was very unhappy. अरे life में बहुत rejections देखे हैं यार. So now it's like a part of the job, you know, like getting rejected and getting finalized. So you have to be again, you know,
mentally prepared
for both the things.
Well, I wish you all the luck for you know the journey ahead. Well, guys, that was Sakshi Pradhan for you, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing from Times Network. Bye.